Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toronto. The local time is 9 minutes past 4. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your cabin bag stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Do not smoke or wear a headset connected to a personal entertainment device until you are inside the terminal building. Install your telephones and any wireless handheld portable devices may only be used once the seatbelt sign has been turned off. If you require any special assistance to leave the aircraft, we ask that you remain in your seat and we will be happy to help you once the aisle is free. As this is the end of our flight today, we remind everyone to take all your personal belongings with you and do use caution when opening the overhead bins as some of the articles that may have shifted during the flight. If you have connections on other flights today, you can refer to the computer screens inside the terminal building or you can consult the ground personnel for additional information. On behalf of Air Canada, a member of the Star Alliance, along with our codeship partners, we would like to thank you for including us in your travel.